Welcome to our guide on how to post a rotated photo on X Twitter using the latest features and tools. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to share your rotated photos effortlessly. To begin, open the X Twitter app on your Android device to initiate the posting process. Once in the app, locate and tap on the plus icon, followed by tapping the feather icon to create a new post on X Twitter. To add a photo to your post, click on the camera icon. You can either select a photo from your gallery or capture a new one directly using the in-app camera. After you have selected the photo you want to share, tap on the three dots situated at the bottom of the photo for additional editing options. Next, locate and tap on the crop icon. This will enable you to adjust the orientation of the photo by rotating it to your desired angle. Once you have rotated the photo to your liking, tap on Apply to save the changes, and then tap on Save to confirm the edited photo. To finalize the process, tap on the Post button located at the top right corner of the screen to share your creatively rotated photo on X Twitter. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your posts on X Twitter by sharing uniquely rotated photos. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you enjoy showcasing your rotated photos on X Twitter.